20 travelers from the UK have tested positive for the COVID virus after recently landed in the Caribbean island of Jamaica. Hi again and welcome. This is Links WS7 TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links WS7 TV Let's Talk. If it's the first time you're watching, thanks for joining us. This is the place where you get the best in local and international news updates. So welcome and thanks. All right, so what I want to talk about today on the program is an issue that took place recently with a flight destined to Jamaica that arrived on Tuesday afternoon, I believe. And it was a situation in which this flight and the passengers became very boisterous to the staff based on the fact that they were told that they would have to be quarantined for a 2-week period at a resort in St. Anne's. Now fast forward a day later, the health ministry is actually reporting that 20 of these persons that were on this flight that landed in Kingston at the Normal Mandela International Airport tested positive for the COVID virus. And as if you could recall, there was a number of video that surfaced out there with regard to this and the behavior of the passengers on this flight. Now you see that the government just implemented this measure as a precautionary measure just in order to stop the spread of the virus. Now can you imagine if they had let these individuals out there just in order to go and socialize with the general public and meet their families and friends, what would have happened? So we're going to bring you up to date with the latest that we have to bring to you in relation to this from the Ministry of Health and Wellness. So the Ministry of Health and Wellness says that 20 passengers who arrived in Jamaica from the United Kingdom on Monday have tested positive for the COVID-19. These persons will be placed in self-isolation or in state isolation along with 4 of their close contacts and monitored until they have recovered. Additionally, 20 positive samples will be sent to the Caribbean Public Health Agency for a genetic assessment to determine if they are of the variant strain of the COVID-19, the ministry said in a news release on Wednesday. The results of the 2 passengers are still pending as well. So they have 2 other results that are still pending, and some 267 travelers, including the 4 close contacts who have tested negative so far, will later be transferred from the site to a home quarantine, the ministry stated. Noting that the persons being sent to the home quarantine will be fitted with the armbands and be closely monitored while in the parish. The health ministry stated that the Jamaica Constabulary Force over this time will be monitoring the 14-day quarantine period. Family members are reminded that they must strictly adhere to the infection prevention and control measures. So of the 301 passengers, 5 in transit travelers and 3 were children under 12 years old, so who were tested by the ministry. While the home quarantine is for persons with symptoms, are being advised to immediately contact the Ministry of Health if they displayed signs or symptoms of the virus as well. So more than 30 countries have so far banned the UK from traveling since Sunday, including a number of other countries as well have so far followed suit based on the rapid increase in the infectious cases and the hospitalization and deaths in the UK. Experts have said that there are no indication that the new strain of the COVID virus will be resilient to the vaccine. So this is just the latest that we have to bring to you in relation to this. So more than 30 countries have so far banned flights from the UK, and including Jamaica have also banned flights from the UK just as a precautionary measure in order to stop the rapid spread of this virus, which has swept the world by storm. However, we'll try our very best to keep you up to date with this story. This has been Links WS7 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and bless.